solving is 81 bracket n plus 1 bracket plus 3 power 4n equals 246. What is the value of n? We make use of this law of indices, which tells us when you have a power n plus m equal to a power n multiplied by a power m. In our case, our value of base is 81 and our n is n and our m is 1. So 81 to the power of n plus 1 can be written as 81 to the power of n multiplied by 81. So this part here we substitute with 81 multiplied by 81 power n. So we shall have 81 power n multiplied by 81. Then we add 3 power 4n being equal to 246. Then when you look at this question, we have 81 here and here we have 81. We have 3 power 4n. So we can express 81 by 3. So 81 divided by 3 is 27. And 27 divided by 3 is 9. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 81 is the same as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. The laws of indices help us to simplify. Instead of 81 now it can be 3 power 4. So the part with 81 will be replaced with 3 power 4. So 3 power 4 into bracket n, this n, multiplied by 81 plus 3 power 4n is equal to 246. Again here, we are going to make use of this law of indices. When you have a to the power of n bracket everything power m, this can be written as a power n multiplied by m. So when you remove the bracket, you multiply the indices. In our case, we shall have 3 to the power of 4n multiplied by 81 plus 3 to the power of 4n being equal to 246. At this point now, we can clearly see that here we have 3 to the power of n, and this part we have 3 to the power of n. So we can reduce this part by letting a letter y or any letter of your choice to be equal to 3 to the power of 4n. Then we substitute this part which is 3 power 4n with y. So we shall have 81 multiplied by y, this part here, plus y being equal to 246. So we have 81 times y is 81y plus y being equal to 246. 81y plus y is 82y, which is equal to 246. Now, the objective is to obtain y, so we can divide both the signs by 82 with 82. 82 divided by 82, we shall be left with y, which is equal to 246 divided by 82 is 3. Then once you obtain the value of y, we come and substitute it back here, whereby we end y being equal to 3 power 4n. So we shall have 3 power 4n being equal to y. Our y is 3. 3 is the same as 3 power 1 because 3 power 1 is 3. Now in this case, we make the rule that when you have a to the power of n being equal to a to the power of m, from n is equal to m. So from here, because our bases are equal, we shall equate our index, and we are going to have 4 power n being equal to 1. Dividing by 4 on both the signs, our value of n is equal to a quarter. And that is the solution of the given equation by following those method steps. Remember to comment and let me know whether you have any other method which you can employ here to obtain the value of n. As a bonus, let us verify and see whether this equation holds when the value of n is equal to a quarter. So our question was 81 to the power of n plus 1 plus 3 power 4n being equal to 246. And we have obtained our n as a quarter. So we want to substitute where we have n with a quarter and see whether our equation holds. So we shall have 81 power a quarter plus 1, then plus 3 to the power of 4. We substitute n with 1 over 4 and see whether this one will give us 246. 246. Now 1 plus a quarter is 1 and a quarter, which can be written as 5 over 4. 5 over 4 is the same as 1 and a quarter, plus here you can see 4 times a quarter is 1. So we shall have plus 3 power 1 is it equal to 246. Now we found out that 81 is the same as 3 power 4. Then multiplied by 5 power 4 plus 3 is it equal to 246, because 3 power 1 is 3. So here by 4 cancels and we are left with the 3 power 5 plus 3 is it equal to 246. That's what we're interested to know. Now 3 power 5 is 243 plus 3 is it equal to 246. Clearly you can see that 243 plus 3 is equal to 246, which is equal to 246. Now since the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, it follows that when you are given 81 power n plus 1 plus 3 power 4n being equal to 246, the value of n is equal to a quarter. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.